Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation bar you've got set, you can do it differently. As you can see, I've got the 3 buttons navigation, so I will stick with this option. If you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger or the pen to the center of your device. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on this button with a square icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've been transferred to this section called Recents, where we've got stored all previously opened apps. Of course, here you can tap on next because, as you can see, we've got a lot of apps opened. And here we've got 2 different ways to close them. You can close them manually one by one. So just find the particular app and tap on this X button, nothing easier. Or if you want to close all of them with only one click, nothing easier again, just tap on this trash bin icon in the middle. And after tapping on that, we will be immediately transferred to the home page. So of course we can enter the recents in order to check. And here we've got no recent items, no recent apps, which simply means that we just successfully closed all of them. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.